need to find the integration of 3 secant t over this region we have given. First of all, we need to sketch the region. So region is the first one is for the variable u. U is going from 0 to cosine of t. U is the function of t, and t is going from negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3. T is on the x-axis and then u is on the y-axis. So how do you sketch the graph? So first of all, remember the range for the t is on the x-axis. So this is the x-axis here. It's going from negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3, and then this is for t, and for the u it's going from 0 to cosine t. So you know the cosine t, the 0 is this one, this line, and cosine t is the graph of the cosine function from negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3. So when we try to plot the graph for cosine function from negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3, this is what we're going to get. So this is the reason we're going to get. So this is where we would like to find out the the integration of this thing, double integration. So this is the graph for cosine t. It's a function of t. This is u. Okay, so we compare that here and we can see that this is the region we have given. And now we need to calculate this integration. Integration is already the answer is already here, 2 pi. I'm going to show you how you can calculate this. So this is negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3, and then this is the graph for cosine t, and that's coming from this range for u and then t. How do you calculate this? So remember, when you try to calculate, first of all we have to find the integration with respect to u, but this is the function of t, so we can keep this function outside of this first integration. So when we try to find the integration, negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3, that is for the t, so I can keep this 3 outside, secant t outside from the first integration, because the first integration is with respect to u, secant t is not function of u, so we can keep this t outside. Now here the second integration is from 0 to cosine of t. For du there is nothing inside, and then there is a dt outside. So we just need to find out the integration inside here. Just copy it from negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3. Secant t is here. If you try to find the integration of this, it would be u from 0 to cosine of t by using the fundamental theorem. And then now we can just put u equal cosine t minus u equals 0. That gives us cosine t by using fundamental theorem of calculus. And now if you multiply secant t and cosine t, that would be actually, okay, my bad, here it's supposed to be t dt here. We already used du inside here, and that's how we got this integration u. That integration for du is u, and these are the range of integration. Okay, this is supposed to be dt. Now secant t times cosine t is 1, so this multiplication is 1. So what is the integration of 1? It's t, and it's going from negative pi over 3 to positive pi over 3. By using the fundamental theorem, we have to put t equal pi over 3 minus t equal negative pi over 3, and when you add these two, it will be 2 pi over 3, and after cancelling this 3 and 3, the final answer would be 2 pi. That's the reason the double integration is 2 pi. Okay, so to sketch the graph, look at this integration range from where to where, and then plot that thing on the x-axis and then y-axis.